In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear ChatGPT chat history. So basically what you're going to do is to open up ChatGPT. As you see here, I'm already signed into my account. Then you want to go and tap on the left up here. Then you want to see your account profile right at the bottom. Click on that option right there. And then you go to where you see settings. Tap on settings. Under genome, you should see an option that says data controls. If you click on data controls, then you want to go and select delete all chats. If you click on delete all chats, it will give you a confirmation message that says clear your chat history. And then once you do it, everything will be wiped away. So that's it. You have further questions, put them in comments section below. If this video helped you, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.